Alright, I'm gonna be in the room for 35 minutes in a minute, playing that 100 Ways to Love a Cat thing. I need you to just hold the door anytime he comes up to it. Alright. Of course, I'm gonna hide the speakers by dropping them.
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways. Way 1. Keep a tidy house for them. 100 loving ways. There are 100 ways to love a cat.
What shit is that?
100 loving ways.
100 fucking what?
Be sure to.
The fuck is that, man? Goddamn, get your fucking nap! Man, shit! Shit! Fuck a goddamn cat!
100 love.
Fuck a motherfucking cat! What the fuck?
100 loving ways.
I'll show you how to love a goddamn cat! You grab that motherfucker by the neck and you choke that son of a bitch! And you say, here, Peter, 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 Peter! Here, Peter, 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 Peter!
Oh.
Oh, you son of a bitch! Fuck a goddamn cat! You want to get that motherfucker off there?
I can't.
I hate a goddamn cat! Yeah, yeah! 100 ways to kill a cat! 100 ways to kill a fucking cat! Use your fucking knife! 100 ways to kill a cat! 100 fucking ways! Put poison in his food! 100 fucking ways! Turn that summons off!
I can't.
Turn the motherfucker off!
You turn it off.
I will do, bitch!
You won't.
Fuck you! Hey!
Give them some fresh water.
Yeah, with some goddamn arsenic in that motherfucker! You goddamn hairy little motherfucker! Fuck you! 100 ways to kill a cat! Fuck 100 ways to love a cat! I don't love you motherfucking ass! Where them goddamn fingers?
100 love.
Where my goddamn fingers?
They're gone.
Where my goddamn...
I rerouted it.
Where my goddamn fingers?
It's in the closet or something.
You bastard!
Buy them a scratching post.
Bomb a goddamn stick and bust him in the motherfucking head with a golf club! I hate a goddamn cat! I hate a motherfucking cat! 100 fucking ways! Send it, get that goddamn fruit little motherfucker off my computer! Where's everything?
I don't know.
Man, please turn that motherfucker off!
It goes for 35 minutes.
Please turn that motherfucker off!
The towel blanket.
Yeah, goddamn towel blanket! Tie that motherfucker up and throw it in the river! And he's just swimming down the stream of motherfucker! Swimming down the stream of motherfucker! And a goddamn shark eats your ass! And then a goddamn whale eats a shark! And then your goddamn little furry ass go forever! Please turn the motherfucker off!
100 love.
Please turn 100 goddamn... Ah!
100 loving ways.
You're gonna regret doing anything.
100.
I can't stand it no motherfucking move! That's all I can stand! La 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 la.
100 love.
Man, goddamn!
33.
Oh, come on, man, 30.
You get the point. It's 100
Take that
ways.
power cord, tie his motherfucking tail, throw him over a goddamn clothesline. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Ways. Wait, 34.
Please turn that motherfucker off.
Set them by the window.
I said turn that motherfucker off.
Remind him that you love him.
I'm not gonna sit here much motherfucking longer. And there's 100 ways to love a fucking kitty. It's still a pussy. The only pussy I want. little motherfucker! Turn the bastard off! I can't find my speakers. I can't find the motherfucking mouth. You need to get the motherfucker off the computer. Get it off the computer now.
Give them a box to play in.
Yeah, and you take that son of a bitch. You mail the motherfucker to your friends in Australia.
Ways to loving ways. Week 68.
Oh,
By a
God.
sturdy cat carrier. 100
Oh,
loving
man, fuck the goddamn cat. Man, turn him up.
100
I don't care about his goddamn carrier. Hold the fuck is, please.
loving ways.
Man, please turn him up. Oh, I'm tired. You're driving me crazy, man. You know, you're the only one who knows where the goddamn shit. Turn him up. I beg you, son. Son, please.
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100
Yeah,
loving
your
ways.
motherfucking ass.
69.
Yeah.
Listen to them. 85.
Yeah.
Admire his long whiskers. 100 loving.
Pull them motherfuckers up.
There are 100 ways
Whoa.
to love
Put the goddamn camera down. Put it down.
100 love.
Put the goddamn
What?
camera down. Oh my God.
What?
Put it down. Fuck them goddamn cats. You fucking hear me?
Loving ways. There are 100
Turn the motherfucker off.
love a cat.
Turn the
100
motherfucker off.
ways. Wait, 87. Pretend that he's a piano. 100 love.
Yeah, you got a baseball bat tickle to the fucking Irish.
100 ways to
I'm asking, turn the motherfucker off. Turn.
100 loving
Hey,
ways.
motherfucker! I'm gonna beat your fucking ass when I get out! They lock my goddamn door!
I know.
100 loving ways.
How you hurt my foot? Fuck them goddamn cats!
All right, listen to this one.
100
What way is this?
ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways. Wait, 29. Make sure there's hate or news.
You start that goddamn shit over again, my goddamn way! I'm gonna find that motherfucker!
Wait, 30.
I'm gonna find that mother...
A baby.
Where is the son of a bitch?
Ways. There are 100 ways.
Where's the motherfucker?
It's gone. It's outside.
Ways. Wait,
Ah!
let them have a tower.
What did you do with the motherfucker?
100 ways. There are 100 ways to
I'm gonna beat your motherfucking fat ass 100 goddamn days.
ways. Wait, 30.
Help me up, motherfuckers.
Keep your toilet lid down. 100
We're
loving
totally dead.
ways. 100 loving
Turn him over.
ways. 100 loving
That's it.
ways.
Cut it off.
100 loving ways.
Cut the motherfucker off.
100 love.
Oh!
There are 100
All right,
ways to
I'm gonna get the hell.
cats. 100
You got a choice.
ways. Wait, 30.
I already heard 100 goddamn ways to love a cat.
Let them chew on
No, you've only heard to 80.
100 love.
You haven't gotten 100 yet. I started it over.
100.
You got a chance. You turn him over. You got a choice.
Don't vacuum if it scares him. 100
I'm serious.
ways.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
100
I don't want to hear no goddamn more.
Ah!
100
Holy shit!
ways.
I've heard enough goddamn cats. I hate fucking cats.
100 loving ways.
Look at my room all tore up now.
100 loving ways. 100 loving ways.
Think you're on 97.
Yes, 100 loving ways.
Shut the fuck up.
You're almost done. You might as well finish it.
There, I'll read him a book. 100
Can't
loving ways.
Can't get out my goddamn-
100 ways
Can't
to
turn the
love a
motherfucker
cat. 100 loving ways.
Fuck a
When
bunch of
99,
I hate
feed him
you,
again.
I hate
100
you, Michael.
loving ways.
I fucking hate all of you.
100 ways.
Any of you goddamn motherfuckers out there like cats.
100 loving ways. We're 100. Just love them every day. 100 loving
Pull myself in the fucking eye!
100 loving
God damn it!
ways. 60
Whoa!
give them a little wet food.
Oh, goddamn!
Loving ways. 100 loving ways.
Turn it off!
I'm not turning it off.
What?
100 loving
How about you count to 100?
ways. 100 loving
What?
ways.
Oh!
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving
Please come turn the motherfucker off!
That's alright.
61.
Please turn the goddamn off!
Don't get angry.
Yeah, don't get angry.
Treat them with respect.
No!
100 loving ways.
Treat them with respect! Alright, I will turn it off this second if you stop.
Ways. Way 64.
Get your fucking tube!
Yourself say good job. 100 loving ways.
Okay. There! It's gone. Yeah! It's gone. That was a rough 35 minutes.
I hate cats! I hate cats!
Come on, let go. Ah! That bastard.